annual event. It's the May in the Bay, and this is car show day. The day prior to today is normally a cruise up and down the Esplanade in the afternoon, and it seems to grow bigger every year. There are just too many cars here to show everything. Spectacular day. Yesterday wasn't so special. It was a bit wet and rainy, and I guess a few people were out with their chamois and cloths yesterday cleaning up their cars. But look at the number of people here. It's just awesome, fantastic stuff. Hopefully you can get along next year. May in the Bay. It'll be on the Wide Bay Rodders site. It's held by Wide Bay Rodders, or you know, be on a Facebook page somewhere. Hey Vin.
G'day mate, how are you?
Well, how are you?
I'm on.
You're still driving this thing?
Yeah.
I reckon. Put it in the video, eh? Excellent. Alright, must keep going.
Yeah, no worries, alright.
So, what's your name? Just your first name, Ron. You've got a, what is this car?
1977 Leyland Moke.
Leyland Moke 1977. How long have you owned it for, Ron?
14 years.
14. And what have you done to it since you've had it?
Totally rebuilt it.
Okay.
Brakes, suspension, engine, body, round up.
And how's it been to you? Pretty good?
Oh, yeah.
You enjoying it?
Love it. Biggest fun car I've ever owned.
What have you used it for?
Everyday driving. And I've towed it around Australia behind my motorhome for 5 or 6 years. Yeah.
And how do you find parts for it, getting parts these days?
Not a problem.
Not a problem?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Lots of dealers in Australia.
I suppose you'll be keeping it for a while to come.
Yes, I've got a son and some grandsons who'd murder me if I sold it. It's being handed down.
Do they want to get their hands on it, do they?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Definitely. Yeah. It's in the will apparently, they tell me.
Is there anything else you can tell me?
No, it's just a good fun car to drive. I just love it.
Alright, thanks Will.
No worries.
Okay.
Thanks, bud.
This is a Ferrari 2011 Ferrari California hardtop convertible, 2-door 4-seater, a zero blue paint with crema trim. It's got a V8 4.3 litre non-turbo engine, 7-speed sequential pedal shift. What else do you need to know? Top speed, max speed 310 kilometres an hour. That'll do. 3.9 seconds to 100 kilometres an hour. And it belongs to Rod, I believe. The reg is Rod's 02. Is it his second Ferrari? Questions. Some questions on the record?
All depends what for. What are you going to do with it? Right. Yeah, good to see you.
Have you ever been in jail? No.
Yes, I have.
Okay.
And the tax department's still chasing me.
We won't put that in, or will we? I don't know. I'm just going to get some video, audio, you know.
Yeah,
okay.
Cool.
What can you tell me about this car? What is it, first of all?
Well, it's a yellow...
What's your name, sorry?
Graham.
Graham. Hi, Graham. Yeah. What is it?
It's a GT Falcon, been fully restored down in Sydney by Australian Muscle Cars. It's a genuine vehicle. There was only 3 built in this colour. We believe there's only 2 of them left now, and all original. It was rebuilt, every nut and bolt, and hence that's why it's in good nick. yeah, she's a bit of a beast. Worth a lot of money because of the rarity of it. But yeah, one of the boys' toys.
What are you planning to do with it in the future?
Well, it's up for sale.
Okay.
Got it on the market. Yeah, so if anyone's interested in buying it, they can come and see me.
All right. So this isn't a plug for Graham, but if you're interested, let me know.
Yeah.
I'll get a commission out of this. How much you reckon?
Half a house.
Half a house.
Half a
no,
house.
my commission. I
Oh,
mean.
your commission.
But I'll take that.
I'll give you 3%.
3%.
Well, that'll still give you about, buddy, 15 grand or something.
Yeah, all right. Oh, okay, we'll shake on it. There we go.
Yeah,
You didn't see that on video, but we did actually shake on it.
We did,
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's all good.
Yeah.
All good.
Is there
Okay.
anything else you can tell me though? You might want to just add in before we wind it up.
No. It's
Fully genuine,
it's all
fully restored.
Yeah, all genuine. Built back to Ford specs and
Only raced on Sunday.
yeah.
Today's Sunday.
Done a few. I've done a couple of donuts around the oval here today.
Have you been up and down the Esplanade a few times?
No, not this weekend. It was raining.
Well,
yesterday.
now's your chance.
Yeah.
Yeah, after this.
But I've got to get out of here first.
So anyone see a yellow GT XY rolling up and down the...
It's been stolen.
We'll leave it there.
We'll leave it at that.
Thanks, Graham.
Good on you, mate.
Couple of GT 40th anniversary Falcons here. Beautiful colour, beautiful livery. Both Boss 290s. I guess that's what they came out in. I don't know what to say. I don't know who the owners are. But the sign says XRGT. There was 200 of these built. Do you know what year these are? 40th anniversary. You're guessing. Yeah, because they kind of wound up on their 50th anniversary, didn't they, Ford? 2006 and 7. You got a car here today? No. You're not in the Dunga Derby? You haven't got a car here?
Bring me car.
Oh, so you know something about these Dunga Derbies?
Yes, I do.
Can you tell me something? This is for the video we're doing for White Bay
okay.
Rodders. So I'm Stuart, you're... Jason. I spoke to a couple of the people that brought them in today earlier. I don't know where they are at the moment, but you'll do. You'll know something about them, won't you? Are you more than just a member in the Derby thing, or?
No, we've got a car in it, so yes.
Yeah.
So,
And how many? What do you call them? Rallies or events?
I've done 2 now.
2.
So, yes.
And what do you drive, Jason?
We drive in the rally. We drive an AU Falcon. So.
Okay.
Yes.
How does it go?
It goes good.
And any trouble with it?
No, I haven't had any trouble.
No.
So.
And is it too much fun or not enough?
No, it's good fun.
Yeah.
So everyone that goes there,
What sort of entry cost is there to get into something like that?
we pay around about $2,500, and then you've got to raise some money as well.
Okay.
So,
But the value of the car, for example?
is about $2,000.
Oh, that's what
So,
that
yeah,
is? Two
yes.
and a half? Two and a half?
Yeah. So.
What else is there to really say? So you raise money for charity?
Yep, we raise money for the Rally for a Cause.
Rally for a cause?
Yes.
Okay.
And then that money gets dispersed throughout the local community for people in need. So,
Is that a
yes.
a national Australian type charity?
It's certainly Queensland based. Yes.
Queensland?
Yes.
Righto.
Yes.
Okay. And there's one event, a major event each year?
Each year.
Annual?
Each
Yep.
year. So Rally for a Cause holds the Dunga Derby, which is their fundraising event for Rally for a Cause, which is the charity that is the ultimate bearer of the rally.
And how many people would be involved in something like this? How many drivers? Or cars?
There's probably about 45 cars, so they have quite a few. So the logistics behind it's quite big. So and it goes for 3 days. So it's
3 days.
Yeah.
And is there a particular time of the year that they run the event?
Normally August. July, August. So
Okay.
so this year it kicks off on the 1st of August. So
All right.
yeah, so
So keep your eyes peeled for that one.
yeah.
Thank you, Jason.
No dramas at all.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Cheers. Have a great day. There is a nice GMC 34. General Motors Corporation, 1934. Fully modified, restored. It's a very nice colour. It'd be candy apple red, I would believe. It's always been a favourite. Okay, we're looking at a 1959 Goggomobil Dart. Yes, it is a Dart. Some of the specifications are 397cc two-stroke engine. The registration is a Goggo 59. Guess it goes to make sense, doesn't it? We don't need chassis number, engine number. It was conceived by Bill Buckle of Buckle Motors, Sydney. The Goggomobil Dart was a uniquely Australian sports car. Ex-Lotus man Stan Brown designed a special fiberglass body for the German Goggomobil chassis. At a time when sports cars were expensive and the numbers imported were limited, the Dart had a healthy 3-month waiting list by the time it was released in June 1959. Well styled and cleverly designed, the Dart was aerodynamically ahead of its time, and with its massive two-stroke engine, it needed to be. The Dart sold for £685 compared to the Austin Healey Spitfire at £1,174 and ceased production in September 1961 after around 750 were built. Wheels magazine of July 1959 should have the last word when they said, "The Dart is a sensation with good steering, braking and around-town performance." Alright, that's it for this event, I think. We'll wind it up there. I hope you've seen more than you've ever expected to. Hopefully you can get along next year. May in the Bay. It'll be on the Wide Bay Rodders site. It's held by Wide Bay Rodders, or, you know, be on a Facebook page somewhere.